Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my third lesson of D3, chapter number 2, exercise 2A, that is about the functions involving higher order expressions. In this lesson, I'll solve basics and intermediate level question number 4 and 5. Let's read question number 4 first. Question says, given that the function g of x equals to mx plus c, and that g of 1 equals to 5 and g of 5 equals to g of 1 equals to 5 and g of 5 equals to minus 4, find the value of m and c and hence evaluate g of 3 and g of minus 4. Let's move to the solution of question. If we look at the given function g of x equals to mx plus c, if we recall that this is the general form of slope-intercept form of equation of line, it has two unknowns m and c. So in order to solve this type of situation, we must have two conditions because there are two unknowns. So there must be given two conditions. Now what I have to do, I have to write the function first, that g of x equals to mx plus c. Now the first condition given is g of 1 equals to 5. It means that the input is, or the value of the variable is 1. So instead of the variable, I'll replace 1. So my function will take the form g of 1 equals to m. Instead of the variable, I'm replacing 1 plus c. Whenever we are multiplying any number by 1, our answer is the same number. So g of 1 will give me m plus c. Now if you look at the given condition, it says that g of 1 equals to 5. So it means that m plus c equals to 5. This is my first equation. Let's block the equation. Okay, and now the second condition is, again I have to take the function of g of x. G of x equals to mx plus c. And now the second condition is g of 5 equals to minus 4. That means that instead of the variable, I have to replace 5. So my function will take the form g of 5. This is the input. Instead of x, replace 5. M into 5 plus c. It's better to write the constant in the beginning. So this side will take the form 5m plus c and g of 5. Now if we look at the given condition, the given condition is g of 5 equals to minus 4. So my equation will take the form 5m plus c equal to minus 4. Now we have two equations with us with two variables. Now you should have the command on the simultaneous equations. You should know how to solve the simultaneous equation. Either apply the elimination method or substitution method. It's up to you. Now what I have to do, I have to write the equations together. M plus c equal to 5 and 5m plus c equals to minus 4. I'm applying the elimination method, and according to that, I'll change the sign of the second equation, and my equation will take the form, the c and c are with the same coefficient, opposite sign. I'll cancel them and I will left with minus 4m equals to 9, or m equals to minus 9 by 4. Okay, now after getting value of m, the second unknown of the question is c. In order to get value of c, I can choose any one of the equations, preferably the equation 1. Now m plus c, as m plus c equals to 5. So my value of c will be equal to 5 minus m, and 5 minus 9 by 4, minus multiplied by minus is plus. So it will take the form 5 plus 9 by 4. because the value is in fraction, so we have to take the LCM, and LCM will be 4. 5 has a denominator 1. 1 how many times is 4? That is 4, and 4 will be multiplied by 5. That will give me 20 plus 9, which is equal to 29 by 4. So the value of C is 29 by 4. Now, after getting values of both the unknowns, what I have to do, I have to replace the values in the given function. Now, given function will take the form g of x will be equal to, instead of m, I have to replace minus 9 by 4, minus 9 by 4x, plus c has the value 29 by 4. I hope you are clear about how to find the values of unknown of the function with the help of given condition. Now, let's move to the final part of the question that says find g of 3. G of 3, for g of 3, what I have to do, instead of the variable replace 3, this will become minus 9 upon 4 multiplied by 3 plus 29 by 4, and it will become minus 27 by 4 plus 29 by 4, and this is, I have to take the LCM, minus 27 plus 29, which will give me 2 by 4, or which will be equal to 1 by 2, which is the answer of g of 3. And now the next part is g of minus 4. G of minus 4 will be equal to, again, instead of the variable replace 4 minus 9 by 4 into minus 4 plus 29 by 4. This 4 will go with this 4, and minus multiplied by minus will be plus, and I will left with 9 plus 29 by 4. Now take the LCM, and LCM will be 4. This will give me 36 plus 29, and when I am adding 36 to 29, 9 and 1 10, 15, 3 and 2 5 and 1 6, 65 by 4. 65 by 4, the numerator is larger than the denominator, so make it a rule to turn it in form of the mixed number. 4 ones are 4, and I will left with 2 and 25. 4 6 are 24, and this will give me 16 whole 1 by 4. 16 whole 1 by 4, which is the answer of g of minus 4. I hope you are clear about this question. Really easy and important questions according to CI exams. Let's move to question number 5. Let's read the question first. Question says, given that h of x equals to px square plus qx plus 2, as in the question there are two unknowns, so there must be two conditions given to evaluate these two unknowns. And first condition is h of 2 equals to 34 and h of minus 3 equals to 29. Find the value of p and q, and hence evaluate h of 4 and h of minus 2. Let's move to the solution of question. Let's take the function first, and given function is h of x equals to px square plus qx plus 2, and the first condition is h of 2 equals to 34. This is the first condition. Now what I have to do, instead of the variable, I have to replace 2. Input for this condition is 2, so the function will take the form h of 2 equals to p into 2 square plus q into 2 plus 2. Now 2 square is 4, and it will become 4p plus 2q plus 2. And the given condition is that h of 2 equals to 34. So instead of h of 2, I will replace 34. Now shift 2 to other side, And my equation will take the form 34 minus 2 equals to 4p plus 2q. And now 34 minus 2 is 32. 32 equals to 4p plus 2q. Now if we look at right hand side, we can see that 2 is the common factor. We can extract it out, pull it out. So it will take the form 2 into 2p plus q equals to 32. Shift 2 to other side. Divide 32 by 2. 32 divided by 2 equals to 2p plus q, or 2p plus q. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So equation will take the form 2p plus q equals to 16. This is my first equation. Block the equation. Okay, and now let's read the second condition, that is h of minus 3 is 29. So again, now I have to take the function again, that is h of x equals to px square plus qx plus 2, and instead of the variable, the second condition is h of minus 3 equals to 29. This is the second condition. Instead of the variable, replace minus 3. Minus 3, it will take the form p into minus 3 square plus q into minus 3 plus 2. And now square of 3 is 9. This will take the form 9p minus 3q plus 2 equals to, now instead of h of minus 3, I have to replace 29. 29. Shift 2 to other side. 2 to other side, and my equation will take the form 29 minus 2 equals to 9p minus 3q, or 29 minus 2 is 27 equals to 9p minus 3q. Or if we look at the right hand side carefully, we can see 3 is the common factor. Extract it out. 3 into 3p minus q equal to 27. Shift 3 to other side and divide 27 by 3. 27 upon 3 equals to 3p minus q, or 3p minus q equals to 9. This is the second equation. Block the equation. Now what I have to do, I have to solve these two equations simultaneously to get values of p and q. For the solution of these equations, you should have the command either on elimination method or substitution method. It's up to you. So write the equations together. Let's move on the top side of the page, and equation will take the form 2p plus q equals to 16, and 3p minus q equals to 9. I will be applying elimination method here because we can see that here q has the coefficient positive 1 with opposite signs. I can simply add up these two equations, and I will have this q will be going with this q, and 5p equal to 16 plus 4 is 20, and 5 25, and p will be equal to 25 by 5, and p will be equal to 5 ones are and 5 fives are, p equals to 5. After getting value of p, the second unknown of the question is q. In order to get value of q, you can take any one of the equation. I will be using for q, I will be using the first equation, 2p plus q equals to 16, and instead of p has a value 5. 2 into 5 plus q equals to 16. 10 plus q equals to 16. Q equals to 16 minus 10, and q equals to 6. These were the two unknowns of this function. So the function will take finally the form. So h of x will take the form px square. P means 5, x square plus 6x plus 2. This was the actual requirement of question, that after finding the values of p and q, we have to find the given function with the numerical value of p and q. Now let's move to the final conditions, that h of 4. Now h of 4, what we have to do to get value of h of 4, instead of the variable I have to replace 4x. Instead of x, I am replacing 4. 4 square plus 6 into 4 plus 2. 4 square is 16. 5 multiplied by 16 plus 6 multiplied by 4 plus 2. 16 5s are 80 plus 24 plus 2, and this will give me 80 plus 24. 80 plus 24 plus 2, 106. 80 and 20 is 100, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So h of 4 is 106. H of 4 has the value 106. And finally h of minus 2, and h of minus 2, again h of x is equal to 5x square plus 6x plus 2. H of minus 2, h of minus 2 will be equal to 5 into minus 2 square plus 6 into minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 square will be 4. 5 multiplied by 4 minus 6 multiplied by 2 plus 2. This is 20 minus 12 plus 2. 20 minus 12 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, let's confirm the calculation. 20 plus 2 minus 12 is 10. H of minus 2 equals to 10. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.